Number 1. 1998 Ford F150, price $8,999, capable full-size pickup powered by a 5.4L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a part-time 4WD system, making it well-suited for both on-road driving and light off-road conditions. The truck has 139,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. Inside, it is equipped with a split-bench front seat upholstered in cloth, offering a practical and comfortable cabin layout. Safety and control features include dual front airbags, rear ABS, and power brakes. Additional conveniences such as intermittent front wipers, tinted glass, and an AM/FM radio enhance everyday usability. The truck rides on 16-inch wheels and includes rear-hinged access side doors, providing easier entry to the cabin area. Overall, this Ford F-150 combines solid performance, useful features, and classic truck functionality in a dependable package. Number 2. 1999 Ford F-350, price $7,800, well-maintained rear-wheel drive truck powered by a gasoline engine and paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It has 149,000 miles on the odometer and features a clean red exterior that still presents well. The truck runs and drives perfectly with no mechanical issues reported, making it a dependable and work-ready vehicle. It comes with a clean title in hand and current registration, so it is ready for immediate use. Recently installed brand new Goodyear Wrangler tires add extra traction and durability, whether for daily driving or job-related tasks. Overall, this F-350 is a solid and reliable truck that is prepared to handle work duties while still being comfortable for regular use. Number 3. 1999 Ford F-150, price $4,999, powered by a reliable 4.2L V6 gasoline engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that delivers a strong and engaging driving experience. With 208,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, the truck remains mechanically solid, featuring a strong clutch and a dependable drivetrain. It wears a classic white exterior with chrome front and rear bumpers, giving it a timeless work truck look. The interior is clean and functional, equipped with cloth bench seats in both the front and rear, along with manual windows and door locks. Dual rear-hinged access side doors provide easier cabin entry, while power steering and power brakes enhance everyday drivability. Safety and convenience features include dual front airbags, rear ABS, intermittent front wipers, tinted glass, and an AM/FM radio. The truck rides on 16-inch steel wheels, staying true to its durable and practical character. Number 4. 1972 Toyota Hilux, price $10,000, classic pickup powered by a 2.0-liter gasoline engine mated to a 4-speed manual transmission. It has 135,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title, making it a solid and well-documented example. The truck retains its original orange paint, now showing a well-earned natural patina that adds to its vintage appeal and character. The suspension has been lowered by approximately 3 inches, giving the Hilux a clean, low stance while still remaining functional. It sits on new wheels and tires, improving both appearance and drivability. Factory air conditioning is still in place, a desirable feature for a truck of this era. Inside, the bench seat and door panels have been professionally reupholstered. Number 5. 1995 Dodge Ram 2500, price $10,000, comes with a clean title, green exterior, 4WD, and an automatic transmission. In 2022, a 2001 V10 engine with 152,000 miles was installed, along with many new components including the water pump, fuel pump, thermostat, PCV valve, timing chain, rear main bearing, throttle body, and camshaft position sensor. Receipts are available, totaling $9,652 for engine, brake, and suspension work completed within the last 4 years. The truck has new tires and rims with less than 150 miles, a new battery installed in November 2025, and a well-maintained automatic transmission with no issues. It has passed smog, tags are valid until August 2026, and all electrical features, including lights, power driver's seat, AC/heater, dash functions, wipers, and blinkers, work properly. Mechanically, the truck is in excellent condition. Number 6. 1998 Ford F-150, price $7,500, powered by a gasoline engine with a 5-speed manual transmission and only 96,000 original miles. It is equipped with the legendary 4.2L V6 engine, paired with an 8-foot-long bed and a factory-limited slip differential, making it a solid and dependable 2WD truck. The exterior is finished in blue and remains extremely clean and attractive with almost no rust, while the interior is in excellent, like new condition. The truck has a clean title and has been garage kept since new, with oil changes consistently performed every 3,000 miles throughout its life. It features ice-cold air conditioning and everything on the vehicle functions as it should, with no dashboard warning lights illuminated. Recent maintenance includes new front brake calipers, rotors, and pads, very recent rear brakes, updated shocks, and mufflers and exhaust manifolds that are nearly new. Number 7. 1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,450, well-maintained rear-wheel drive pickup powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It has 116,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. Finished in white paint, the truck is completely rust-free and has been carefully cared for over the years. The vehicle runs and drives very well, with cold air conditioning working perfectly. It has recently received an oil change and is equipped with newer tires. All major wear items commonly found on older trucks have already been addressed, including brand new ball joints, control arms, and new door lock actuators. An expensive roof rack is also included, adding both style and practicality. Number 8. 1995 GMC Sonoma, price $5,500, reliable rear-wheel drive pickup powered by a gasoline engine, with 132,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title. It features a manual transmission, making it ideal for drivers who appreciate a more engaging and controlled driving experience. The exterior is finished in red paint and still presents well for its age. Recent maintenance includes a new starter, new cables, fresh spark plugs, and a fresh oil change, ensuring the truck runs smoothly and is ready to drive. With relatively low mileage for a vehicle of its year, this Sonoma is a solid option for daily driving, weekend use, or light-duty work. A bumper pull is included, adding extra convenience for towing or utility purposes. Number 9. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800, rear-wheel drive pickup powered by a gasoline engine with 187,000 miles and a clean title. Finished in blue, it runs well and is fully highway-ready. The engine is original and unmodified, paired with an automatic transmission that has the same mileage. Recent maintenance includes new tie rods, front suspension, radiator, water pump, and battery, while the brakes were rebuilt 5 years ago. The manifold and gearbox have been replaced, the air conditioning works well, and all lights, signals, and electronics function properly, though the steering is slightly loose. The interior is spotless and in excellent condition, and the camper shell features optional modifications such as removable mosquito netting and a custom elevated bed setup. Number 10. 1997 Ford F150, price $5,500, equipped with a 4WD drivetrain and an automatic transmission, making it suitable for both daily driving and tougher road conditions. It is powered by Ford's reliable 4.6L modular V8 gasoline engine, a proven power plant widely used across Ford vehicles in the late 1990s. The truck has 222,000 miles on the odometer and features a blue exterior paint finish. It comes with a clean title, which is currently in hand, and the vehicle is fully registered and legally drivable. A smog check was completed in mid-2025, and the results showed that the truck not only passed but was well below emissions limits, indicating that the engine remains in good mechanical health.